Greetings everyone, I hope you are doing well. We'll start a new video about the hand of God strategy. This time, I will apply it to the 1 minute time frame with 15-second charts. Many have asked us if this strategy works for smaller banks. So we're going to test this theoretically. Alright, I've been extrapolated data from my previous experience. So why not try a new time frame? For those who don't know, the hand of God is a simple strategy. First, let's set the time frame to 15 seconds and change the candles to high Nash candle, which help identify trends. Generally, this strategy works in favor of the trend. When should you enter? Okay, enter when two headed candles go below moving average. What moving average? Let's configure the moving average. In this case, we use 7 period exponential moving average. Save the configuration and we're ahead to look for an entry point. I start with small amount, $5, to see how this new setting performs. Here we have a possible. So let's see this. Right now on BAD I see 2 green candles above the average, indicating an uptrend. So I will enter bullish position for 1 minute using 15 seconds. I will add this pair to favorites and wait. Remember, the market's volatile, especially in the 15-second time frame. Okay? So pay attention when you have the uptrends and on the position. Okay? Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Look at this. We need to pay attention when you got an uptrend to have sure to use this as a buy button. Now let's wait for the results. First win. We have secured our first win on this pair. And the account balance is now $96. Let's increase the amount to 9.6. It looks effective so far, but I need to see the trend clearly and observe the setup. When it tries to break and fails, it often makes us pull back, offering a good entry point. I look for another entry. Possible position right now in Euro NZD. It's a candle. Yeah, but be cautious. The candle is below the average, indicators weakness or downtrend. If the next candle stays below the average, I will enter, otherwise I will wait. Possible bearish position. If it's closed like this, I'm in it. Alright, 1 minute, 9.6, and boom. Okay. Now I enter bearish position on this pair Euro NZD. Let's wait a minute to see if this turn out of position or negative. Okay. And position 1, we have secured our second win. Remember, this is OTC. This is highly volatile. You might think of the lost, but it can turn around. Patience is the key. I'll look for another entry, and now just gonna use $1843. Alright, and let's see that. Okay, we got another possible position in Coin OTC. I enter bullish, the buy button on the next candle. I've entered bullish. Why? The price dropped sharply and then showed green candle. Okay, indicating an uptrend. I saw rejection in this area, so I entered the bullish. So pay attention on this. Look at this, an uptrend. And we got our third win right now. In the total, $35.39. The last trade was very close, but he made it. It's all or nothing for the next candle. We're gonna use all the amount. Alright? Guys, analyze and be patient. This strategy is fast, so mistakes can burn your accounts. So I'm waiting for another position. Okay? Don't forget, pay attention and get patient. And right now, possible position in Solana OTC. The price keeps trying to break it, but doesn't succeed. I wait for one more candle with strength. Okay? So look at this. Just get patient and analyze. We have this point right here. We have a downtrend that is happening right now on this moment. Okay, look at this, downtrend. So just wait for the next one and click on the sell button. Okay? Now let's wait for the results. So let's wait. Oh, what's a draw? Incredible draw. It's rare, but it happens. The position was difficult because the entry point was very low. Still, it's interesting to see on video. I look for another entry, okay, or a last entry. So pay attention together with me. Look right here, guys, on Apple pairs. Look bullish. If the next candle is green, I will enter with the buy button with all my amount again. 35.39. Alright, wait for this and click on buy button right now. Okay, this is a very fast strategy, analyzing the 15-second time frame with 1 minute execution, the time of its operation, the expiration time in 1 minute. Alright, now look at this, we got $7.95. The last entry did not follow the pattern exactly, but the trend was up. The final entry point was better. Always follow the trend, otherwise you might lose. Okay? So get patient, pay attention on the position and the trends. That is for this video, guys. If you have a doubt about the strategy, leave a comment. Raise an account from $5 to almost $7. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Remember to join a live broadcast to learn new things. I wish you good luck, a good profits, and good operations. Don't forget, get patient is the key. See you on the next video.